Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Endang Lestari from class 4B1 Mathematics Education Study Program. Now I will explain about vector. Vector. A quantity that has a magnitude and direction is called a vector. But a quantity that has only magnitude and no direction is called scalar. Tell me this line segment is a vector? No, right? Like segment has only magnitude, that is length, but no direction. Let's see this with specific direction for this line segment. An arrow. This means that a line segment and directed from A to B. Therefore, we can call this line segment is a vector. Now, let's look at a specific example. Here is a vector, and I'm just going to call V and put a row over the top of it like this to make sure that we know this is a vector. Well, this vector moves over a certain amount in the x direction. Let's say, for example, it moves over 3 in the x direction. It also moves over 1 in y direction. This vector is equal to its components. So it's equal to vector v equal 3, 1. 3 is x component and 1 is y component. Then, when we write just a bit of notation here, this also written as a column. Vector v equal to 3, 1 equal to 3, 1. 3 is x component and 1 is y component. And then vectors properties. Number 1, vectors can be moved with the condition that the value, magnitude, and direction do not change. 2 can be added. 3 deductible. 4 can be deciphered. And 5 can be multiplied. Let's see this picture. I have vector p. Vector p is equal to KL. K is x direction and L is y direction. Vectors are added by performing one translation after another. Let's see in this example. I have vector p and vector q. P and q are two vectors. To form their sum, you want to represent them as a pair of arrows by which you can trace the path of a particular point. Let's see in this picture. P is shown by an arrow from U to V, and then Q arrow from V to W. So the sum P plus Q is represented by an arrow from U to W. Then, if P equal to AB and Q equal to CP, then P plus Q equal to A plus C, B plus D. And then about basic unit vectors. If you apply the rules of vector algebra to a vector in column form, you can see that P equal to KL equal to K plus 0, 0 plus L equal to K 0 plus 0 L equal to K times 1, 0 plus L times 0, 1. The vectors 1, 0, and 0, 1, which appear in this last expression, are called basic unit vectors in the x direction and y directions. They are denoted by the letters I and G. So P equal to Ki plus Lg. For example, if you want to find 3a minus 2q, where is p is 2, 5 and q is 1, negative 3, you can write either 3 times 2, 5 minus 2 times 1, negative 3 equal to 3 times 2 is 6, and then 3 times 5 is 15. Then negative 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So we can write 6 minus 2, and then 15 minus negative 6, and we get 6 minus 2 equal to 4, and then 15 minus negative 6 equal to 21. Or we can write 3 times 2i plus 5g minus 2 times I negative 3g equal 6i plus 15g minus 2i negative 6g equal 6i plus 15g minus 2i plus 6g equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, 15 plus 6 is 21. So we get 4i plus 21g. Illustrate the following equation geometrically. Vector A plus vector B equal to 4, 1 plus negative 3, 2 equal to 1, 3. Okay, let's see it. From this equation, we got vector A is 4, 1 and vector B is negative 3, 2. 4 is x component and 1 is y component. And this is negative 3 is x component and 2 is y component. Let's see it from vector A. 4, 1, we get 4 in x component, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 1 is y direction, so we can draw this vector like this with a row in here, and then vector B is negative 3, 2. Okay, and then we can draw this vector like this. So how to vector A plus vector B? Let's draw in geometrically. Okay. We draw the vector A and the vector B, but no change around and length. The beginning of vector B is at the end of vector A, like this. This is vector A, and then this is vector B. The beginning of vector B is at the end of vector A. So vector A plus B is equal to vector A continue vector B, like this. This is geometrically from this equation. That is all from me. If there is a mistake, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.